Hello my acquaintances! So today I really wanted to do something Donnie Darko themed because Donnie Darko is my favorite movie, if you weren't aware. And so I wanted to do this little cunty Frank look. I was missing a lot of products that I thought I had, and also I'm not that good at makeup, so it didn't really turn out perfect. But it is what it is. And if you want to recreate this look, just keep watching. And if not, I understand. First for the clothes. This is rough because I don't have very much gray stuff at all. Especially not dark gray like him. And also, yes, I only have one nail. I am putting on a new set next week, so I'm just waiting for this one to fall off so that I can let it. Because he has the white belly, I have this white tank top, and if you've been here a while, you know exactly what this is. Oh my gosh. My middle school jacket that I refuse to take off ever. But it's gray, dark gray fuzzy on the inside. So I'm just going to wear it inside out on top of it. The white, so it will be like the gray and the white. Left my collar on. I know it doesn't really match, but I really don't want to paint like that whole area. And I think it will look weird with just my skin right there. I think that looks good. I don't think it looks good, but if you have white contacts, put them in. My white contacts expired and I threw them away. We're priming with this, as always. Okay, I'm using a brush this time. Some concealer. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in. I'm not going to sing it this time because I got copyright struck on my last video. But it's so hard not to. She's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10, and now she's even got her own song. She's got the cutest laugh I ever heard, and we could stay on the phone for 3 hours, not saying one word. Maybe that won't get recognized by the system here. And in it, it's a bit darker. It's a bit darker. I don't know if it's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna use up as much of this as there is left. Yeah, I feel like this one's a little yellow. I look a little bit like Bart Simpson. I look a little bit like I drink one too many of these. I look a little bit like I have jaundice. I am going to do the eye like that because I just feel like it's gonna be more recognizable that way. This is also my girl cunty version, so it's not gonna be, we're not going for an exact replica here on the eyelid, just because he does have those big white eyes. So I need to actually get my Milk white primer. I did the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and then the shade Whiteout on the Intergalactic palette. And now from this smoky eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna use this gray, which is Charred. and do my like crease area. Follow up with this shade Nebula in the Intergalactic palette. Yeah. And then on the other eye, I'm gonna take this purpley shade called Dark Matter. I'm gonna do that just on the eye to make it look kind of bruised. I'm also going to take a little bit of this Supernova yellow shade and just put that on there to give it some more bruising of a look. And some shade Morty as well, some green. Ew. Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm doing black eyeliner because I want this shit to be gunty. Oh, I might do red eyeliner on this side though. That could be epic. I'm just gonna do black because the base of my wig is black. And I'm just gonna follow my natural brow line pretty much. That, I don't know, that might be, I don't really like that. Next. Ooh, I do mascara. And what I do with lips? Put this gray. That I had Snazaroo light gray. Because I do. Somewhere. I don't know. Maybe I got rid of it. Maybe I lent it to somebody. This gray color here and start drawing this on kind of like this is so hard because I feel like the thing with skull makeup is usually you're doing both teeth, both rows of teeth, but he just has like the top, so I'm kind of, I feel like this is not too bad. It might be giving less Frank now though, I don't know. What are we thinking? Is this horrible? I don't know. Is this a waste of time? I don't know. My donut lashes. So, yes, this is my Chuck E. Cheese wig, so it does have some tinsel in it. But I think it's the only gray wig I have. And I'm only going to do lashes on this side because I feel like this side needs to look like a bullet went through it. So, I need a lock-in to do this. I think that looks good. I have bunny ears. I don't know where they are. They're also white anyways, so I made these ones out of pipe cleaners. And we're just gonna put them on like that. This is pretty much the finished look. Just kidding, that was not the finished look. I forgot I wanted to do blood rhinestones. I think that's cute. I think it makes it even a little bit less readable as Frank now, but I think it's cute, so, and they're already glued on there, so. I should pull this up, so, like, yeah. This is pretty much the finished look. It didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, but that's okay. Yeah, if you want to. So, you know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.